Southeast Asia is one of the easiest places in the world to travel. It's affordable, it's beautiful, it's exciting. But there are a few things I really wish I knew before I came here for the very first time. Not big mistakes, just small realities that would have made everything smoother. On a map, Southeast Asia doesn't look that big. But once you start moving between cities, you realize how long travel days actually are. A 6-hour journey can easily become 10. Borders take time. Ferries get delayed. Buses stop often. I wish I had planned fewer destinations and given myself more space in between. The heat here is not just warm, it's heavy. It slows you down, and if you ignore it, it drains your energy fast. I wish I scheduled less during the middle of the day. Mornings and evenings are gold. Afternoons are for slowing down. Yes, Southeast Asia is affordable, but affordable doesn't mean effortless. You still need cash in many places. Some islands don't have reliable ATMs. SIM cards matter more than you think. A little preparation saves a lot of stress. I used to think travel days were just part of the adventure, but they are tiring. Waking up early, carrying bags, waiting around. I wish I had planned rest days after long transfers. Your energy matters more than your itinerary. Social media shows the perfect version, the empty beach, the glowing sunset, the peaceful cafe. But sometimes it rains, sometimes it's loud, sometimes it's too crowded. And that's normal. The real magic is in the everyday moments. The best experiences I had weren't planned. They happened when I stopped rushing, when I stayed longer in one place, when I let the day unfold naturally. Southeast Asia doesn't reward speed, it rewards patience. If you are planning Southeast Asia for the very first time, don't try to do everything. Do less, stay longer, and let it surprise you. This is the Earth Way.